tracks? Yeah. Tell me about it. What did you find?
It was it.
It's a wood chipper? That's super cool.
No, it's not. See, it doesn't have any holes right there?
Yeah?
No, it's not.
It's not a wood chipper? Well, it's turned off right now.
But see, that doesn't have any holes.
Well, I think, oh, you know what? Come here, check this out. Check this out. Do you see right here? Look right here. That's where the wood goes in. But this is put up because it's like a safety gate. So people don't get hurt.
Yeah.
See those big tracks?
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Wait,
Okay.
cross this street.
Okay, look both ways.
No, guys.
Okay.
There's
All right.
the trail.
There's the trail. Can you find the trail? Ready? What do you got, Gray? What is that?
And my side can keep it.
He did? What do you got, bud? What is that?
Got towel. Okay. Towel.
What was here before? Do you
There.
remember?
There's a creek here and what? Oh, and that's one in that train.
Oh, must have went in that drain. Is there any water?
No.
No.
Not that we made anyway.
Maybe.
No.
What got him, Gray?
Hey,
What?
it's a creature.
A creature?
Let's follow this. Whoa, this.
No, it's
Be careful, Mommy.
Okay.
Oh, we made it. We made it, Mommy.
We made it?
We almost made it.
Yeah.
There's stairs.
Oh, stairs. Awesome.
Stairs. Woo! Stairs. Stairs. Because there's stairs.
Oh.
Wait,
You see him? What do you see?
Here.
Oh, yeah. What do you see?
What's it? How's this?
What kind of spider web is that? It looks like a sheet web.
Well, what is this one?
Yeah. Is it a sheet web?
No.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's real Charlotte web? Sign. What's the sign say? Tree falling area. So that means that these trees, they're really sick, so they may fall.
So if you hear cracking, watch out.
Yep.
Look at that leaf.
What do you think a tree sounds like when it's falling?
You want to show the boys?
Crack.
Crack, crack, crack. Go. All right, you gonna blow it? Maddie got a big wish too. Gray, what are you doing?
Wait a minute.
No.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Take my shoe off.
You want to go barefoot?
Then stickers will go in me.
I don't know. Check it out. Test it.
Oh, no, thank you.
Nope.
Does it feel sticky or does it feel good?
But I feel it. Is it smooth or not?
I don't know. What do you think?
Put your shoes off and see.
I like my shoes on.
Then feel it with your hands. Then.
Okay.
Feel it.
That feels kind of smooth. You just have to stay on the trail if you take your shoes off, okay?
Here, Mommy.
Okay. I'll take that one. Alrighty.
Take my shoe off.
You take it off. If you want your shoes off, you take them off. And you're going to carry them, okay?
Don't down now.
I'll put them on your backpack.
My backpack?
Yeah, I'll put your shoes in your backpack. And then you can, if you change your mind, we'll put them back on, okay?
Yeah, what? I don't mind put in my backpack.
Yeah?
And mine will.
All right.
Here.
Okay, we'll put that all in your backpack.
That's what Mary said. I can keep that one because he has the new one at his house.
That's awesome. All right, let's get on the trail. What did you find?
I want that being mine. No, I'll be mine.
Hey, we could share them. Do we want to put them in a jar?
Yeah.
What is it, Gray?
Nah, I already.
Show me.
A beetle.
What kind of beetle is that?
Get off me. Get off me. I want it. No, I want it.
Okay.
Get off me.
All right.
I put it in a
You
jar.
want to put him in a jar?
Oh, no.
Oh, he flew away.
We need it.
He flew away.
Go, Dan.
You got one?
Dan. Here, we pick Dan.
You got that one?
For Dan.
For Grayson? I think he wants to get his own, though. Did you
Hey.
find one, Gray?
Then her lady.
What'd you find, bud?
That I will.
What'd you find, Gray?
A house web.
A house web? Really?
Her web.
See, I don't.
It's not.
What do you see, sister? Oh, okay. Well, you're the trail master. Are you the trail master? Okay. All right, I'm following you, Trail Master Grace.
Me too, Dan. It's
Oh.
a kite.
It's a kite web. It kind of looks like a kite, huh?
Dan, well,
Yeah?
I don't want tired right now.
Yeah? Oh, Grayson got spider webs in his hair.
No, it's time to eat day.
Yeah,
Think it's from yesterday?
it might be.
What's this wish?
You found another huge, ginormous wish.
Come back here, Maddie.
My, I got bubble.
Yeah,
Brave.
that you can grab.
Hey,
Okay.
Maddie, you got
So
this?
go. No, sis, you gotta stand up. You can't go on your bottom.
This is super,
Oh, Maddie, there you go. Like a bear.
it's super scary. You're being so brave.
Hey, Maddie, the outsides are harder.
There's the water.
There's the water. That is really far down there, huh? The bugs getting you again? Okay. What do you see, Gray? Butterflies. Check it out. Don't touch it. Look right down. Grayson, you just stepped on it. Look down. Get out of the way so Maddie can see too, Gray.
Okay, go to one side. What do you think it is?
Not
You think it's a mole?
It does look like a mole.
yeah.
Okay, well, when we get to where we can sit, you can get your animal guide out and see. So look at
Yeah.
it closely. Look at its nose and look at its hands, its little claws.
Is that cool?
And 1 foot there.
Oh, his foot fell off. It might have.
Over here, Grayson, it's just tucked in.
Yeah.
It didn't get eaten off. Not yet.
Sorry, Maddie.
Well, that's the fly there.
The fly is
Yeah.
trying to eat it.
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
What do you think, Temp?
Okay.
Yeah.
The flies.
Hey. What'd you find?
Not the right move.
Oh, he moved.
Oh.
Maybe there is.
You found him?
Did Grayson find him? He did.
We put it that
What
in
is
there.
that? I
You
don't
wanna
know.
Put that in with him?
Okay.
Was it by him?
You want to take the jar? Here, take the jar.
Hand it to Grayson.
Here it is. Here it is.
Stay close with it, Maddie, and he can get him in there quick.
There.
Are you doing teamwork?
I did.
Here, block him, Maddie. Make a wall with your hand like this so he doesn't go past. Maybe he'll climb on you. Oh, and then you guys can catch him.
You
Put
got
your
it?
hand down. Make a wall so he can't go past. That's how you gotta catch him.
Gentle.
Do you want to give him a leaf?
Awesome.
Here, give him a little leaf too so he can hide. There you go.
All right, put the lid on.
That way?
What's this?
Yep, just push it on,
They're fuzzy. Oh,
Alright.
here, I'll put it in my bag.
and then we'll take a look at it when we stop for lunch.
I want to see how big
sis,
it is.
Okay.
now.
The buggy has one already.
I want
Brother gave the bug one.
I want.
Watch. We can put that one in next.
Wow.
Put it in here for now. Save it for later.
That's super cool. Okay.
I
Whoa.
slide down.
Yeah, you did. The trail to the giant oak tree.
There's water.
Holy smokes.
There's water.
Yeah, you hear water?
Temperance, I want you to go this way. Look, you're going to go on this trail. There's 2 trails. Ready?
I want this trail.
They're going to go on that one, but it's okay.
Do you want to go that way, Maddie, or do you want to go up this way?
That way.
You follow Gray?
You sit on your bottom or crawl. Come on.
Look, follow the trail.
So that means snack time.
Look at your destination.
Okay, don't run.
Follow the trail. Oh, she took a shortcut. What are you doing? We were supposed to be getting some lunch. Oh
I
no!
want down there.
Yeah, did you make a boat?
Huh? Let's see if it's over here now.
Okay.
Where is it?
I don't know. Do you see it coming out anywhere? Watch your step. That's rocks. It's slippery. There it is. I found it.
Is it wreck?
You see it right there?
Is it wreck? But why you have your car? Not there.
That's your car.
Oh, then here.
You gonna
No, I
trade?
don't want that. I can keep it? Yeah. Okay, he said I can keep it.
For right now.
But I said I can keep that car.
If you guys want to trade, you can, but you need to ask your mommy, Maddie.
Down, be down here.
Yeah?
There ain't any way.
Whoa! Watch out, that rock goes off a cliff! Don't pick your car off a cliff. That is a steep cliff. Oh, it made it! Oh, good. Phew!
He's doing burnouts now.
He's doing burnouts now?
Look, Maddie's doing burnouts. Look, he's going up time.
Maddie's doing a burnouts too. Whoa! What's the water feel like?
Oh, cool.
It's cold. Ah, that is cold. You have to ask, Gray.
My car? Yeah. I want to trade.
Oh, good trade.
I want to trade. But look, he's going on warm.
Oh.
No, it's not warm. It likes underwater.
Yeah?
It likes going on. What's going on warm? No, it's going underwater. Oh, see? Oh, oh.
Building a dam, Gray?
My dam's not working out.
Your dam's not working out?
Need help? Hey, it's just a boat.
Oh, you making boats?
No throwing them now.
Wow. You know that peak rock.
Not over there. You want to find one rock that you want to carry home. Look, like any one of these smaller ones. Look right here.
Whoa, we can make carrots.
I'm going to go right here. So that's what's in the house. I'll help you.
Whoa, that's a big stick. Watch out. I just got all wet.